Be ready. Start. I congratulate you all for your selection in the prestigious services. I believe that your training has enabled you to make effective contribution in the progress of power and trade sectors of India. Both these services are important in the context of economic growth and development of the country. One more thing that is common for both these sectors is that they promote connectivity and an interconnected ecosystem further boosts energy and trade sectors. Power sector is one of the prime movers for India's development. The goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat is closely connected to a robust power sector. The aims of uninterrupted power supply to all and improved standards of living would be possible due to your dedication and commitment towards expanding and maintaining a strong power infrastructure through engineering solutions. One of the indicators of socio-economic progress of a country is energy demand and consumption. Therefore, as India moves ahead to become the third largest economy of the world, demand and consumption of power will certainly increase, which will further drive the country's development. You should explore and adopt the latest technologies in the field of power engineering. You should strive to achieve bigger milestones through greater use of technology and innovation. The future of the power sector lies in research and innovation, be it in energy storage, grid management, or new forms of energy generation. I urge you to give importance to research and development in power sector so that India remains competitive at the global stage. As we know, trade forms the backbone of economies. It promotes investment, creates jobs, drives economic growth, and improves standards of living. Trade discussion forms important part of almost all bilateral and multilateral meetings and summits. During my meetings with heads of states and delegations, also trade related issues are discussed. Here, I would like to share that India is at the forefront of global trade facilitation efforts.